Hi, I'm Stephanie Grayhek, and I'm from Freedom Training and Reproduction Center. I've been working with horses for over 35 years, doing both reproduction, training, and equine therapy. One of the aspects of our business is we do a lot of hauling, and a part of that hauling is hauling to horse shows. We haul out almost every weekend. We're a pretty busy farm. From the time we get into that pen, these guys got to stay sound and comfortable to do their job. We're hauling over 1,400 miles sometimes, and in that long haul, we have to make sure we take breaks. The roads are rough. We get cars that jump in front of us. They don't appreciate how we need to drive. We have road construction and potholes, all the things that we come across as we're making those journeys. As most owners will notice, you have a lot of pitching and jarring when your trailer will hit bumps and your truck will hit bumps, and the two don't coincide with each other. So your horse really catches a lot of that. Having a safe truck and trailer and the best setup you can makes all the difference in getting there. So our prep starts days before. We prep our trailer by adding shavings and making sure that our trailer is clean and that it is safe and ready to go. We already start with a trailer that has mats in it. And then our horses are also prepared by having their own set of soft ride boots and their own set of wraps and blankets as needed. The biggest difference that we've made to our program is using the DF6. From the driver's standpoint, you can look in the rearview mirror and actually notice that the horse trailer is floating on the bed. So as your truck is finding concussive movements, the trailer actually is not moving in the same fashion. It's actually floating on the bags, which translates back to your horses not having to have that concussive movement. When it comes to using our DF6, we've been really impressed with the fact that when we make our 15-20 minute break stops and at the end of our hauls, our horses are in much better condition and they need very little recovery time. It's made the largest difference in the ride for the horses. Our horses load easier, they arrive much happier and more rested. That's been a clear advantage. I'm Stephanie Grayhek from Freedom Training and Reproduction Center, and I highly recommend the Trailer Saver DF6.